Hi, we are the DXN International Private Limited. We are in the SMX Convention Day 2 of the Philippine Medical Expo 2024. You can visit our booth so you can try our DXN Classic Coffee, the DXN City, and you can have our booth at the Hudson Pavilion number 193. Thank you. Thank you.